Hello friends, today I will show you how to make a PNG picture from JPEG. We will make it in Photoshop CC. So let's start. I will show you very easy tricks to make PNG. Just we open our document. This one we will convert as PNG. Here you look a white background. Now we will remove it. At first you have to notice the layer section. The layer is locked. We have to unlock this layer. Double click on the layer and press OK. Now layer is unlocked. Now we will select this tool, quick selection tool, and the plus quick selection, because we have to select the white background. From here we can manage the size of our tool. Now press the mouse button and drag the background. But here you notice our main image has been selected, so we have to deselect it. So now you will select subtract from selection. Same way, click and drag. Now press delete key from your keyboard. Okay, fine. Everything has been selected. We notice here something else. Now we will remove it. Now we have to save the image as PNG, file and save as.